Look at your nose. Your nose.
Why?
Look at his nose.
What about her
So
nose?
dry your nose.
Ah, sorry kayo ha. Gisipon mong gid ko.
Okay, your hands up. I think you're asleep. I think mommy's fake sleep. Look.
Big sleep.
Okay, I want to see. When her hands down, she's not sleeping. When her hands up, she's not. She's sleeping. She's not sleeping. My deal. Kind of deal, you guys, because it's 8:45. It's 2:01. So we are watching a movie. So we are having a mess in this house. We have a lot of mess here. But at the ground, in our house. Because what our house is like me and you're watching a movie, and it's so funny because we are like having a boyfriend and girlfriend over here. Oh, what? Sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
That's so funny.
We're over here watching a movie because watching a movie. I watched a movie before because we are going to.
Okay, need to go sleep na.
Okay. Finally, I can. So I can play with my dad forever. This is my dad. Her name is Cesar Ian.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Oh, Patch.
Please follow or subscribe to our channel.
Because you're watching a movie. Watching a movie, so my dad is so like. So this is mommy outfit.
Mommy elephant. What? Mommy elephant?
No, mommy outfit. Like where she's. This is mommy, and this is me, and this daddy. You're spending time together because we love to spend time together. Because our mom and dad so good. I love to play.